jack seem to have lost its lifting. So what I'm going to do is refill the jack. It leaked. I was seeing some leaks out of this jack, some oil leaks, so I think that is the reason it's not functioning properly. So I got a jack oil refill, and they say it also stops leak. Now I'm not promoting the brand or something, but this is what I bought. So the way to do it is remove this plug here carefully so you don't damage it. Okay. Okay. So that's the plug. Leave it clean. And then what you do is, let me grab the handle for this. Okay. So what you need to do is, let me tighten it first, and then release this thing. So I'm turning it on my left side, anti-clockwise, just 1 or 2 rounds, that's it, not too much. And then as you can see, it's not going anywhere. Oh, it's not going anywhere because it's not closed, but even if I close, it doesn't really work properly. So what I need to do is, I open the plug and then I need to fill it. Open that first and open the seal, obviously. Adjusting back on. Okay, so first I'm going to pour a fair bit. Now I am not a mechanic or something. This is the first time I'm trying it. So I'm sure some of the viewers would probably know a better way of doing it. A mechanic type person would certainly know how to do it proper way. I'm just trying it first time. See how it goes. Okay. So it's all filled. I think I have filled it a little bit more than I should. Give 8 pumps. Okay, this is to get any air out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I think I'm going to waste some oil here. That's okay. Okay, so some excess oil here, which leaked out. And clean it all up. It's because I was holding it at an angle, I overfilled it. Okay. Now, just pump 8 more times. 2, 3, 6, 8. I can see the oil level. I can see the oil level. It's just below the bottom of the hole here. So I don't need to put any more oil, I think. Usually if the oil level is too low, then as you pump it, the air starts coming out, and then you need to top up with a little bit more oil. But it looks like all the air is out, so I don't need to put any more oil in there. Okay, so once that is done, then all you need to do is put the plug back. So just clean it, just make sure that there's no dirt or something in there. Some people actually drain the oil in there and then flush it with some cleaning oil, and then they refill, or then they fill it with the jack oil. I didn't bother doing it. If it doesn't work, then next time when I do it, I will do all the cleaning and all those things. But today I am not going to do it. Looks like there's a bit of paint in there, so make sure that there is no dirt there inside the plug, which then goes in the bottle and creates problem. Okay, so looks fine to me, so I will put that back. Okay, pushing it back is not going to be easy, but I need to be patient. So don't damage the plug. As I said, this is the first time I'm doing it. I am sure there is a better way of doing it, but I don't know. Okay, looks like the plug is already in. Okay, now let's test it. So I will close this thing here and then see how it works. Now looks like it's working. Before it wasn't lifting properly. Okay, so that's as far as it goes. It seems to be okay. Okay, it looks alright. Okay, loosen it, push it down. Yeah, no leak. Yeah, try once again. Now apply a little bit of pressure from the top here to sort of simulate the situation it will be in when it's lifting my car. Yeah, seem to be staying. Okay. Okay. Alright, well, looks okay. So that's it, folks. That's how you change refill your jack oil. Okay, I will put these things